Hello, judges. Right now, we are delving into our web application, which is called a SafeSnap. In its name itself, you can find it. It is safety in a snap. Once we delve into this project, first let me introduce my teammates. You just can see their faces on the Zoom call itself. No need of introduction of them. Uh, they don't need any introduction. They're all popular. Let's just start how we did with our idea, how we got into this idea. It's not like Newton found this theory from a snow from apple fall on his head. We found it actually after we broke our laptops during the winter season. We fell on our back when we slid on the ice. So what we figured out was, let's just build an application so that it alerts the users about the impending disaster. It is all about disaster prevention and mitigation. We focus majorly on two goals, especially for the Sustainable Development Goals, which was released by the UN last year, 2023. So this is our attractive application, which we want to showcase to you judges. Renu will be
Okay.
explaining about the origin of these ideas.
Okay. Hi, judges. Now the reason of the that creative idea. Every application have we started. There is a idea behind it. So the idea behind the Safe Snap is that nowadays everyone is very engaged to the social media. They usually use the social media to know everything about that happening in their surrounding. So they usually use that application to find out is there any danger happening around them because sometimes there is a road construction and the people using that application where that know the location of that road construction and they can that is the that is another inspiration and creativity. The inspiration of that application is to social connectivity and user generated content, and the creativity is in that it is explored the creative ways to people build a community in a unique group of functionality and share their thoughts. And the iteration process is first is problem identification, which is about the safety concern, then concept development to create the prototypes and develop the detailing concepts.
Yeah, so now, hi judges. So we are focused on the navigation diagrams. It's going to tell how our application will flow. So it's very clear here. We are going to start with the introduction page. Then we will move forward to authentication, and there are users will be having three options. Either they can register, log in, or they can just post it without signing up. Now we're gonna show like how does it look exactly on the browser, how does it look exactly in our application. So this is an introduction page. This is the landing page when the user will be landing up to the application. User just have to click on the SafeSnap text on the very left side, and the user will be shifted into the authentication page. Here you can see the user is having three options for the registration, for registration if they are new users, to post it. If they don't want to register to the application, just want to post something, just want to share something with others, so they can just go into the post pictures without sign up, or they can just log into the application. For logging in, here you can see in order to register they just have to fill the display name. Display name will be the name with which they want them to be displayed in front of everybody, and email will be whatever they want. Like here we are making it 98 at gmail.com, and we are having the password that will be encrypted so nobody can steal it from us. So once we are registered into the application, we have to go back to the authentication page, and here we have to fill the details that we have created it right now, and then we have to log in. We just have to click on the login button. This is the account that I've already created. This is Gal Kiranpreet, and we just have to click on the login button. Once we clicked in, we will be logging in, and here we are having with the personalized home page for the application. You can see Kiranpreet Kaur. This is the name. This is a display name I put when I was registering for the application. And here you can see the activity performers and the communities, so you can subscribe to different communities. You can see the activity performers, you can see who is performing how. This is our feed page. Like this is how all the posts that is uploaded by all the users will be displayed in the card format to give it as a fancy look. And you can see, you can go into the tagged, so all the tags that are used by the different users, so this is our most popular tags, and then we can switch to the upload. This is a key feature of our application that is going to be explained by the Mruthan.
So this is where we try to extract the location and everything from the metadata of the images. So let's just let me show a demo. We are just choosing some random file which does not have any metadata. So it asks you to give you the GPS data. I've recorded a video from my mobile where I enabled my location and I could extract the image that will be played right after this. You can even post it over here and we can see the random photos being added. Let's just put this as a coffee shop. We are just putting it as a comment and let's put an hashtag here. And we have to enter manually over here like this. And we can find that the post has been added, the coffee shop, which we added over here, right here. So it is here. You can also unsubscribe from the communities as well. You can't do it twice. We have ensured that it has been done only once so that they can navigate to the required communities. The map view has been attached here with. So right now I'm just going to get into the PPTs. This is our logout feature, everything. And we are also planning in the future to add some WebKit, which can have machine learning features inside it, so that it automatically detects from the image and it gives a description what is there in the image to reduce the workload even on the users.
Mhm.
So let me share the PPT right now.
So this is our SafeSnap output design diagram. It is just telling how the application flows. If we are giving this particular input, what kind of output we are generating, and how the system is processing all those required inputs. This is ERD diagram. All the database connections, all the tables we need, user, post, location, tags. So we are just showing those tables together in the form of the ERD diagram. Benefits, we are having user engagement. We want more users to be engaged. We want a community to build, and we want people to be having real time updates. That's why we are having real time updates. This is a technology we have used. We started with the React.js as a front end. We are using EIXF for the location thing, and we are proudly using Firestore to store all the real time updates for the application. This is how our login looks like. We have already seen it in the, this is a homepage, a perfect homepage containing all the required things, all the activity performers to engage people more into the application. This is the key feature, upload, where they can upload, where they can, this is the feed, having the posts and everything. And that's all in our application. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.